guys! Welcome back to my channel. It's me again, Kylie. Shout out to all of you guys. You know what? Within the last few days, I hit 100 subscribers. Yay! Today is my vlog number 4 and we're going to make my own version of homemade iced tea so you can avoid the ones from the local coffee shop and save a lot of money. Did you know that drinking tea is good for your health? It may lower the risk of cancer. It can encourage weight loss, and recent studies have shown that tea can help lower the blood pressure. Lemon is a rich source of vitamin C. Lemon juice protects the body from immune system deficiencies, especially with the current pandemic, coronavirus. Let's go, guys! Let's try the finished product. Everyone must try this at home. It's so easy to make a refreshing drink. That's all for today. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you hit the big thumbs up and comment down below what other things you want to see. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell for good vibes. See you not tomorrow, but next week. Peace out! Too much. much, too much.